We don't know what else.
Anyone?
Interracial, inequality. That's stupid.
Stuck on the.
Queer, I got that. The Queen of England. 2 is 1 plus 1. Like two couples can be together, any couple. And S is for sexuality.
Okay, good job. Nice try. I think that's the closest answer we'll get. Now, LGBTQIQ2S actually stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgendered, transsexual, intersex, queer, questioning, and two-spirited. This has been an accepted term for the last few years. All right, good job. Who was that? Messi? Yeah, good job. All right, who's going to be our next contestant? All right, hand over here, hand over here. All right. Choose a topic, any topic.
Nick. Anti-racism.
Anti-racism. Awesome. Okay. Are you sure you know this answer? Settle down, people. Settle down. The question is, when is Asian Heritage Month? November? You guys think that's correct? No. All right. You get a little button for effort. Who wants to answer? I see a hand right there. All right. Okay. What's the answer? When is Asian Heritage Month?
Guys, this is weird. March?
Is that correct? No.
February.
One more try. Who can get this answer correct? Right here, this column right here. When is Asian Heritage Month? Is it May? May? Is that correct? Yeah! I think we have a good answer. Good job. All right, next question. Who's going to be our next contestant? Right there, who's that? All right. Choose a column.
Anti-sexism.
Okay. First question. What is the glass ceiling?
A ceiling that's made out of glass?
A ceiling that's made out of glass? Does that sound like the right answer? No, I don't think so. All right, you get a button for effort. Who really thinks they know the answer to this question? Right there. Who's that right there? Over there. What is the glass ceiling?
It's basically a barrier that prevents women from going higher, achieving higher.
Yes, that's correct. Everyone, a round of applause for Lima. All right, so you answered the question that your brother failed to answer. All right. So the glass ceiling is a symbolic blockade that prevents women from entering high-ranking positions in fields such as business, politics, and economics. All right, who's going to be our next contestant? Next contestant? All right, I can't see back there. Right there in the back. All right. Sunlight, tick-tock. All right, okay, what topic? Exceptionalities. Ooh, exceptionalities. Are you ready for this? The symbol that is used to represent autism is A, the brain, B, a question mark, C, a heart with a little question mark in it, or D, a puzzle piece?
D.
D? Is that the correct answer? I think it is. Good job. Yes. A puzzle piece, or the puzzle piece that represents the complexity and the mystery behind the disorder of autism. All right, next contestant. Let's have one back there. How about back there? You standing up. Who's that? Oh, Kapil. Let's see. All right, what topic will you choose? Remember, the questions are getting a little harder.
Anti-sexism.
All right. Okay. Sexism.
Yo, give me a proper definition. Give me a proper definition.
Alright.
Stereotypes between males and females.
Stereotypes between males and females. Does that sound about correct?
Yeah.
Somewhat. We'll give it to you. Good job. Now, sexism is discrimination based on gender, especially against women, or the attitudes, conditions, or behaviors that promote stereotyping of social roles based on gender. Good job. Next contestant. How about you back there? Back there. All right, what category would you like to choose?
Okay, I like to do religious issues. Islam.
Pardon me?
The second one.
Religion?
Oh, I don't really think of Christianity. What?
All right. Okay.
False.
Okay, Christianity, Catholicism, or monotheism are the same religion.
False.
Is that right? Yes. Christianity is actually an umbrella of several different religion sects. Both of these religions are sects that fall under this umbrella, but they are totally different. All right, good job. Who's our next contestant? How about someone back there? We haven't gone there at all. All right. Someone will be making their way over to you. Do you guys like this game so far? Yes? I'm sorry, I can't hear you. All right, good job. Okay, what column do you want to choose?
What do I say?
Last question.
Religious issues? Is that religious issues? Okay.
Sexism.
All right, religious issues. Which is fact? A, B, or C? A, all Muslims are homophobic. B, Islam and Nation of Islam are the same religion. Or C, Islam's religious test is the Quran. C? That's the right answer! Woo! Good job. Okay. Next contestant.
All right, Nation, you gotta wrap
Okay,
it up.
let me hear which side is the loudest. I'll decide from there. All right, this side's the winner. Someone back there.
Notion.
Right, do we have a contestant yet?
Religious issues.
Religious issues, all right. This is a really popular category, all right. So, what is another name for this religion? So, earth-centered spirituality. A, paganism. B, naturism. Or C, earth spirit. Don't answer for him.
Last question. This is the last question.
A? Is that correct? Yes, I think so. Good job. Paganism is a group of contemporary religions based on a reverence for nature and spirituality. One more? Done? Do we have one more question? Last question. Done? All right, thank you, King, for playing Jeopardy! The Equity Edition. Hope you had a good time, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the assembly. Thank you. This has been Notion Trebek. Out.
Sexual orientation is who you find yourself attracted to. You don't choose your sexual orientation, you're just made that way. No one chooses to be gay or straight. Yet, we live in a society where coming out of the closet and simply being yourself can rise to harassment. No one should be subjected to harassment just because of their sexual orientation. Equality within a community is something everyone can and should understand. As an anti-homophobia team, we are not promoting homosexuality, but only promoting acceptance. No matter what your sexual orientation is, everyone deserves love.